Hello guys, welcome back to my channel online unboxing and review product। तो मेरी चैनल अगर पसंद आती है तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को हिट कीजिए। जैसे ही सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को हिट करेंगे पास में एक नोटिफिकेशन बेल दिखेगा, उसे भी हिट कीजिए ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर एक नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको समय से मिलती रहे। अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। अगर पसंद नहीं आता है तो बेशक आप इसे डिसलाइक कीजिए, लेकिन कमेंट सेक्शन में जाइए और रीज़न ज़रूर बताइए। इस प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन, क्वेरी या फिर आपके सजेशंस हैं तो कमेंट डाउन बिलो। प्रोडक्ट का लिंक और डिस्क्रिप्शन मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। So चलिए let's get into the video.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Shahid here, back with another video, and today I'm very happy to voice over and again unbox a new thing, and this is one of my favoriteest thing. These are the AirPods Pro, Apple AirPods Pro. So I'll just voice over and unbox and show it to you guys how these are and how my personal overview and review on this product is. So you have already heard the intro of this video, so we'll not waste more time, we'll just get into today's unboxing video. So this is the retail box for the Apple's AirPods Pro. You can see the Apple AirPods Pro on the top. As usually, Apple's logo on both of the side. On the top, AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. At the back side, you can see the photograph of Apple's AirPods Pro with its wireless charging case. So let's open this box up. Really excited. So here we go. Okay, so as usual, the normal, designed by Apple in California. It's the user manual, we all know what is inside it, so we'll see it later. On the top, they have provided the AirPods Pro. They are open because I buy it from the local store. So here are the Apple's AirPods Pro. We'll keep it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. So there is a USB Type-C to Lightning port, I guess. Okay, it's that only. Yeah. And there is the extra changeable ear tips or earbuds. So we'll keep it aside. And there's nothing else in the box. So first we'll talk about the user manual. Let's see what's inside it. As usual, mentioned AirPods Pro. So it's written AirPods Pro, nothing much on the first page. Okay, so inside it is how to connect it with iOS, what are some of its key features with which it is compatible with, and what are its functions kept, and how to change the bud tips, and how it charges itself up and all that. These are some more information. I guess nobody have read that until this date, but it's good that they gave this at least. But they didn't provided the Apple stickers. That's bad. So let's open the AirPods Pro. Okay, here we go. So here are the AirPods Pro. As you can see, white in color, very premium and heavy in feel, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. There's a button for pairing, so it's great. Let's keep it aside. I'll show you the other components of the box. So this is the USB Type-C to Lightning port. They're locked it. It's great. It was easy to open it up, but they didn't provide the dock for the Type-C cable, so I have to buy it from outside. But I'll charge my wireless case and the AirPods Pro with the help of my normal USB cable which comes with the Apple's iPhones. So this is the USB Lightning port. They're nice and good in quality. So this is the changeable ear tips. It says S and L. S for small, L for large. Mediums are already attached to the AirPods Pro. It's very great. Like, feels good quality silicone. The small ones. You can change it according to your ear size. There's no issue with that. So this is the AirPods Pro. So this is the wireless charging case. It's a light indicator which turns green, red and white. Downward the charging port for USB lightning cable and a pairing button when it is used with connecting with the iOS devices. So I'll open it to you and show. Here we go. Yeah, there it is, the AirPods Pro. Yeah, the light turned green as it is showing that they're ready for pairing with the other iOS devices. So they feel very much premium in hand. Like, you can see the speaker grills and the main speaker, they are excellent. This is the left one, the earbud, medium sized, white in color with black speaker grills. Excellent, man. Excellent job, Apple. Now you can see there is a multifunction button out there. So this is used for multifunctioning without just touching your iPhone for sometimes. So you can see how it looks. They're absolutely great. I'll show you the right side one also. Yeah, so here it is, the AirPod Pro for right side. They're great. Like, you can see the stainless steel. They are having some purpose for charging. I don't know what it is. So you can see inside how it looks. The case is also very much premium and excellent. So here are the AirPods Pro. So the function of the multifunction buttons is like, if you are listening a song, if you press that button once, then you will stop the song or play or pause. If you press that button twice, you can skip to the next one, and if you press that button thrice, you can skip to the previous one. So here's the button which is backside for use for pairing. So these are the AirPods Pro, Apple's AirPods Pro with its case, wireless charging case. So these are all the components which came inside the box. The AirPods Pro, its lightning cable, changeable earbuds and all. So I'm gonna show you how to pair this device. So this is the iPhone XR. You can check out this video on this channel. So this is the iPhone XR. So for pairing with the AirPods Pro, you have to first turn on the Bluetooth on your iOS device. Then you have to simply open the AirPods Pro's case, and it automatically shows not your AirPods Pro, and you have to connect. We have to hold the button given backside by pressing it up, and it will show connecting. So it's a nice interface given by Apple. So this shows media control, noise control by pressing it up once and holding it, control center. Now these are some functions of AirPods Pro, so that's also great. Like, you can see what it does and whatnot. So it shows the battery percentage. So it's done. I've saved it as the name of mine, like stocks AirPods Pro. So these are the AirPods Pro. Now it shows the battery percentage for the case and the AirPods Pro both. So I'm gonna show you some of more features. Now you go to Bluetooth, you'll see where your AirPods Pro are, and you can click on the I or the info button. So here it is. Many interfaces comes. So here it says disconnect or forget this device. Now here you can change the name. As you see, I have changed it. Now here are some of its features. Like right now they are not connected, so it will show nothing. Now the most interesting feature of this is noise cancellation. You can turn it off for transparency. Now here it is, noise cancellation, transparency off, noise control or Siri. You can control Siri by wearing this AirPods Pro in our ears. So they're also great. They feel excellent in the ears, man. That's appreciable. Now here it is, the ear fit test. And you can see the right ear also has the same. Ear fit test. Now it is to check whether you are wearing your AirPods Pro correctly or not. So now we have to first wear our AirPods Pro in our ears. Okay. So here it is, some of the other settings. Automatically switch microphones, always in right, always in left. So you can see it's automatic ear detection. Excellent, man. These AirPods Pro are very good. Absolutely good. So now I'll show you how this ear fit test works. Ear tip fit test works. So you'll know that which ear tip is better for you. So first, wear both of your AirPods. Okay, so this is, I'm wearing it. Now I'll click on the ear fit test. Then I'll play. It plays a nice music. Now if your ear tips are not adjusted properly, it will show that adjust or try a different ear tip. I adjusted and then I started again, and the results are, it says good seal. So medium ear tips are my kind of ear tips, so I'll keep that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till end, and this are great product. I'll suggest you to buy it if you are working and if you need some wireless, if you're gymming and all. Thank you.